Nakita ka niya?
Nalingkod niya.
Okay, so we're here. So people at the back, you can stand up po para makita niya sila. And kids, pwede mo sa front. Pwede na mo mahanap na po. So we have 3 white lions here named Jack, Max, and Bugoy. So this one's Bugoy with the heart shape in his forehead. That one is Max with the bangs, and that one is Jack. Ano nakatubang doon dyan mo nag-iso.
Hi, Jack. Say hi, Jack.
So they're nocturnals. That's where they love to eat, sleep, and lay down during the day. So mas active sila at night because night pa nilang hunting time. So their lifespan in the wild is 12 to 15 years, and in captivity is 20 to 25 years. So they're all males, they're siblings, and they're 8 years old.